So now let us discuss about the other type of asexual reproduction. So you have studied about fission, that is of binary fission and the multiple fission, and also the spore formation, that is conidiospores, zoospores and all. So now let us discuss about budding. Budding is nothing but the formation of bud or outgrowth or the small projection. So here in budding, the bud or outgrow small projection will form from the parent organism. That means, the parent organisms, the cells will produce a small projection or a outgrowth, will separate from the parent organism, and they will give rise to a daughter cells. So it is a type of asexual reproduction in which the parent organisms or the parent cells will form or will produces a small outgrowth or projection when they will attain the maturity. When they attain the maturity, they will form an outgrowth, and that outgrowth will be breakdown and they will form a new daughter cells. So in budding in sponges is of two types. Budding can be seen in yeast as well as hydra. Whereas in budding in sponges is of two types. External budding and internal budding. External budding is nothing but exogenous budding. Internal budding is nothing but endogenous budding. So what do you mean by external budding? So external budding you can see in yeast as well as hydra. So what will happen here in yeast and hydra, the division is unequal. So the division is unequal. In that means here in hydra, in particular part of the body they will form a outgrowth. Even in the yeast, that is not in the equal manner. So the small birds are formed from the parent body. So this is the bud. So this small outgrowth will form from the parent body, and after attaining maturity it will separate from the parent and they will form a new offspring. New offspring. You can see in yeast also. So they will formation of bird, and this bird after attaining maturity they will separate from the parent body and they will form a new daughter cells. So how this bird formation will happen? Because there will be a increase in the cell division. So whenever there is a increase, there will be a formation of outgrowth. So that is the formation of bird. So the increase in the cell division, they will form a outgrowth called as bird or small projection. So from there, that from their parent body it will separate and they will give rise to a new offspring, so the new daughter cells. That is in the external. So external budding you can see in yeast and as well as the hydra. So what do you mean by internal budding? So internal budding you can see in the most of the time in the marine sponges. Example is Spongella. So here what will happen? So these are the gemmules. So gemmules are the asexual reproductive part, are the internal birds where it will form inside the parent body. So where the internal birds will form in the parent body after some time under unfavorable condition. When it will attain the favorable condition, so they will form a new colony, they will form a new daughter cells. So here the bird as having a a specialized cells called archaeocytes. So these are the specialized cells called as archaeocytes. So these mass of archaeocytes under favorable condition, it will come out from the micropylar end and they will form a new colony. So that is how you can see the jumble formation in the spongella. So you can see same in the marine freshwater sponge. This is a freshwater sponge, sorry. So you can see in the marine sponges also, except cycon. So this is of internal budding. So next is fragmentation. So fragmentation means nothing but fragments. Means when the parent organisms break into fragments when they attain the maturity. So when the parent body, when they are mature, they will cut into small pieces. That small pieces will give rise to a new organisms. So you can see in Spirogyra. So this is Spirogyra. Here, so this parent body, it will cut or it will breaks into smaller pieces. So these small pieces will give rise to the new offsprings. So these parent organisms break into themselves when they attain the maturity. So it will form a fragments. It will form a small pieces, and those small pieces will separately form a new organisms.